Ladies and gents, if you have an agency or you're thinking of starting an agency, a common problem that you may run into or you're already running into is this idea of only having one offer. Okay, and I want to talk to you today about the agency value ladder and how you can have multiple different offers, 3 to be specific: an entry-level offer, a core offer, and a high-ticket offer. So I think it'll be a really valuable video. It's something that we're going to be incorporating into our agency going into this year, and stay with me. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Taylor Bentude. I run an agency called Better AMS. We're an advertising agency that focuses on Amazon and Walmart advertising primarily. We also happen to be doing around $140,000 to $160,000 per month. We have a team of 9 people onshore and about 7-ish people offshore. And we have been running for 5 to 6 years. So I have a lot of agency experience. 70-80% of my time goes into my agency. This YouTube channel is just something for fun that I do. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. All right, let's get into it. Now, the agency value ladder, we have the entry-level offer, okay? But first, let's start with the core offer. We're gonna label this a C. So in our agency, our core offering is pretty much a $3,000 per month retainer, sometimes more. Lately, it's probably somewhere around $5,000 per month. So $5K plus like 1% of the advertising revenue that we drive for that specific client. So this is kind of our core offering. And this core offering has its own ICP, right? You know, so like this core offer has a unique ideal client profile. Now, here's the problem. When we have leads coming into our marketing funnel, okay, the majority of the leads do not fit this ideal client profile that can pay $5,000 a month plus 1% of advertising revenue, so their monthly retainer would be like $7,000 or $8,000 a month. The majority of leads just don't fit that. And so unfortunately what happens is the leads that come through that could be given an entry-level offer, a cheaper offer, or the leads that come through that could be given a high ticket offer, we haven't really done the best in these 2 areas. We can say that we've had a leaky bucket in a sense, okay? And so what we're trying to do, or what you're trying to do, is look at your lead flow and think to yourself, okay, am I rejecting a lot of leads? Yes, okay, great. And is there a service offering that we could give, or is there some type of thing that we could offer that could provide an extreme amount of value at a fair price for someone down here? What's an entry-level offer that we could do? And so what we're thinking of doing, and we're planning to test this out, is a community. We're planning to launch a community, and I'll just call this community with terrible writing. And this is going to be something that'll probably be around, we're not entirely sure on the pricing yet, $400 to $500 per month. And this will be for brands or an ICP that is far less superior than our core offering. So we're gonna now be able to help with this offer that we're building out. We're gonna be able to help of the vast majority of leads that come through our pipeline. And so the vast majority of leads have been quote unquote unqualified because we've never had an offer for them. And that's kind of been part of the problem. So our hypothesis going into 2023 is, well, let's test out an entry-level offer and see how this goes. Now, the second thing, I think it makes sense to dial in the core offer first. I think that's what people should dial in always in the beginning. Core offer, somewhere in the middle of the ladder. But once you got a core offer rolling, look at your market and ask yourself, is it better for me to now expand to an entry-level offer or a high-ticket offer? Because it's all relative to your situation. There is no one that is better than the other. It's relative and contextual to your agency and your company, right? Because if you have way more leads coming in that could be sold an entry-level offer, that would be much more valuable than a high-ticket offer, then do that, right? And so for us, we're starting here. But we would love to do a high-ticket offer, which would be maybe something along the lines of $25,000 or $50,000 per year mastermind, or it would be maybe something along the lines of like enterprise level consulting, where we're enterprise consulting for brands like Coca-Cola or Nestle, or some of these major corporations in the world that don't necessarily maybe want to hire an agency to manage their advertising all the time, but they want to bring people in as consultants and pay them a really, hefty fee of whatever it is, $50,000, $100,000, $250,000 for X level of engagement or training or whatever that may be. Okay, so this is the value ladder, ladies and gents. Now, the thing I want you to do when you walk away from this video is ask yourself, have you got your core offer dialed in? Okay, that's the question number one. If you have your core offer dialed in, fantastic. Then the next question becomes, is it better for me to do an entry-level offer or a high ticket, offer? Something at the beginning of the ladder or at the top of the ladder, bottom or top, which one's better? And again, that question can be answered by understanding if your lead flow or your market would be best served by an entry-level offer or a high ticket offer, okay? And that, ladies and gents, is it. So if you're a beginner agency owner, you're just getting started, I highly recommend you subscribe to the Agency Birth Waitlist. This is a program that is going to be helping people go from $0 to $10,000 per month. I'm planning to launch it for a nominal fee, a nominal monthly fee where you can cancel anytime. And we might even launch it for free. We haven't figured it out yet. We're gonna do something special with it. And secondly, if you're an agency owner that already has a ton of experience and maybe you're doing already 7 figures, check out the free agency audit. There should be a link in the description of this video, and you can book a call with me and I'll happily hop on a call with you and give you an audit of your agency and try to provide as much value as possible. It's part of the process. So with that being said, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Ciao. Friend, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to watch another one that's extremely valuable, I just selected it for you and you can check it out by clicking it right there on the other side of the screen across from my face. All right, friend, enjoy. Thanks for watching the channel.